Hey guys, Sullivan Owen here in Philadelphia. So today's video is a little different. I'm gonna unbox some tropical flowers. The project that I use these for is one of those private clients where I'm not supposed to share, but I had so much fun working with these flowers that I'm gonna get some more in, and I'm gonna make a tropical design which I will put up for either Monday or Thursday's video next week. So if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get the 200 subscriber mark this weekend, and yeah, just stay tuned. There's a lot of really unusual flowers. So my typical tools for processing would be a floral knife, scissors, and a pair of clippers. You want to use scissors for cutting rubber bands or plastic, anything like that. A purple fiddlehead fern is really a very striking and unusual flower. They are available in green, but the green can sometimes be hairy. Beehive ginger can come in an assortment of colors. Sometimes it's more honeycomb colored, but this one was a little more orange. These tea leaves, they're more of a red. The striped HALLA FLAX, that actually lasts out of water for like a week. MONSTERA is sold in about 5 sizes. This is extra small, small, and medium. I love any kind of striped leaf. The CALATHEA is really beautiful. Anthuriums kind of come and go in fashion. There are actually tons of beautiful colors in them right now, so we're starting to see them pop up a little bit more as kind of a trend mixed with more traditional flowers. This is a type of HELICONIA. It's somewhere between a HELICONIA and a bird of paradise. This is this golden shower ONCIDIUM orchid is like one of the most delicate and beautiful orchids you can get. This, if you are curious, is how birds of paradise are packaged for storage. Not all of them have these plastic sleeves, but the bird of paradise kind of pops open. And so they are actually taped shut so that they pop open when you're using them in the final design rather than early. If they were open too early, there's a chance that the very delicate petals inside there would be damaged. This BANKSIA is a part of the PROTEA family. It's definitely one of the more unusual and striking flowers. Anytime I use it, I get questions about it. PINCUSHIon PROTEA is another one that's quite popular. They come in yellow, a reddish orange, and a true orange. Again, PROTEA are really long-lasting flowers. And then these Japanese lanterns are not strictly a tropical, but they are pretty cool. And I got them in for some Halloween decorating. So large tropical flowers are packed, maybe not in the most economical way, but it's because you don't want to bruise them or tangle them up too much. So this giant box has just 2 flowers in it, 2 types of Heliconia. There is upright Heliconia and Heliconia that kind of like hangs down, and you can see they're really huge stems, really big flowers, very unusual. And they're just another one of those flowers that's just incredibly striking. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the tropical flower unboxing. Did you have a favorite of the unusuals that we just saw? Leave me a comment below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Let me cross that 200 subscriber mark this weekend. And yeah, stay tuned. We'll see a tropical design next week. And then I also got some really, really cool giant vases. So I think I'll be making, I'll be kind of showing you how to work with a really oversized vessel and what kind of scale you need to make the glass vessels work. So I will see you guys next week.